All right, each table has a set of supplies. You will have a water bucket, each person has a brush, and each person has a tray of watercolors. I want to talk briefly about the watercolors. When you open them, you will see that the 3 warm colors are together, red, orange, yellow. The 3 cool colors are together, green, blue, violet. And then we also have 2 neutral colors. I would steer clear of using the neutral colors because they will make your water muddy. Also, when we use the watercolor, we want to dip our brush in the water, and then we want to gently swirl the wet brush inside each color as we use it. You never want to press hard because that will actually ruin your brush and your watercolor. After you've swirled a few times, then you also have your paper. Just going to pull it up to the top here. You're going to start somewhere towards the center, and then you are just going to pull your color that you have on your brush across your paper. Your goal here is to cover that entire section with just one solid color. That's why we traced our shapes with crayon, because that will help contain your color. When I'm done with that section, I can rinse my brush. I can switch colors. Again, you swirl about 6 times in your color. You want your color to be see-through, and then you're going to pull it in a different section. Your goal here is to go slow, take your time, make each section a different color. You don't want a color to touch itself, and so you're going to kind of move around, move from section to section, painting inside each section a different color. You don't want to leave any white left on your paper. Swirling inside each color about 5 times again, pulling across the paper until you have your entire paper painted. This should take more than 1 class period, so you really need to slow down, take your time, and fill in those spaces. When you are finished, you're going to clean up by swirling your brush in your bucket, and then you lay your brush flat back on your tray so it looks like this. We don't ever want to leave those brushes upside down in our bucket. Then our paint flat gets closed, and it lays back on our tray just like that. That's how we get our supplies cleaned up. Happy painting!